December 8, 1985, ipinanganak si Superman, hindi si Clark Kent, kundi si Dwight David Howard ng Orlando Magic. Sa sobrang ganda ng kanyang high school career sa Southwest Atlanta Christian Academy, dumiretso na agad si Howard sa 2004 NBA Draft. Number 1 overall pick siya ng Magic. Ang 2009 Defensive Player of the Year ay isa sa pinakamataas sa field goal percentage at rebounding. Ang 2008 Slam Dunk King ang starting center ng Team USA na nanalo ng gold medal sa 2008 Olympics.
Oh my God.
Idol ni Dwight si Kevin Garnett, na gaya niya ay dumiretso sa NBA straight from high school. Isinuot ni Howard ang jersey number 12. Reverse ito ng 21 na pinili ni Garnett nang maglaro sa Minnesota.
Did you see where he touched? Oh, he put a sticker on
Man child, 22-year-old Dwight Howard.
Howard that time just bully ball on Theo Ratliff.
Si Superman ang pinakabatang manlalaro sa kasaysayan ng NBA na mag-average ng double-double sa regular season, pinakabatang umaverage ng at least 10 rebounds sa season at makapagtala ng at least 20 rebounds sa laro. He is also the first player in NBA history directly out of high school to start all 82 games during his rookie season.
Lob inside at the rim, big time!
Here we go. Number 12. Howard.
Howard gets his third block shot of the night. Pass has given the Magic a 39.
Noong April 15, 2006 naman, nag-record siya ng career-high 26 rebounds bukod pa sa 28 points upang mapalapit sa NBA rarity na 30-30 game.
Game number 1 here in Orlando.
I'm trying to get big.
Nice shot.
I never lived like that in my life. I told my strength coach, stop.
There's White. There's White. Let go through that, boy.
Ang franchise player ng Magic ay may extraordinary athleticism. May vertical leap na 40 inches na bihira sa isang 6'11 at 265 pounds na mama. Marami nang sinirang record si Howard sa blocks, sa rebounds, sa double-double at sa field goal percentage. Siya ang pinakabata na nakagawa ng iba't ibang achievements na ito.
Magic a 39-29 direction in Denver. Going to sell the lap. Oh my goodness. And talk about getting deep. Dwight Howard that time just bully ball on Theo Ratliff.
Alam niyo bang itinayo ni Superman ang Dwight D. Howard Foundation Incorporated noong 2004? Nagbibigay ito ng scholarship sa mga estudyanteng gustong pumasok sa alma mater ni Dwight, ang Southwest Atlanta Christian Academy. Nag-o-organize din ang foundation ng summer basketball camps na dinadaluhan ng mga NBA players. Naki-join din ang Magic Superstar sa maraming Read to Achieve program ng NBA na naghihikayat sa mga bata na magbasa. Naging partner sa buhay ni Howard si Royce Reed na dating dancer ng Magic. Meron silang anak, si Braylon.
He's an amazing player right now, probably one of the best big men in the league, but he wants more than that. He wants to get better, and he wants to push himself, and he wants to help the team, and he wants to be a leader.
Howard just muscles his way in on Perkins and stops it.
Nalaman na natin mga kabarangay ang lipad ni Superman, ni Dwight Howard ng Orlando Magic. Ang nakakatakot kay Superman, bata pa siya, magmamature pa at mag-i-improve pa ang kanyang laro. Abangan natin ang patuloy na pakikipagsapalaran ni Dwight Howard.
Look, when I hang on the rim, I'm like this. You win, young fella. You win, Superman.